Introducing the SP Tools 8-piece 3/4-inch drive metric impact socket set. This heavy-duty 8-piece set is built for serious torque on large fasteners. The SP20410 includes 6-point impact sockets in sizes 24, 27, 30, 32, 34, 36, 41, and 46 millimeters. Manufactured from premium chrome molybdenum steel for maximum strength and durability, these sockets are designed to handle the extreme power of pneumatic and electric impact wrenches, perfect for trucks, heavy equipment, agricultural machinery, and industrial applications. Comes complete with a durable steel storage case. Success is built with SP Tools.